So that's not good. So my tire and rim blew out. I left that groove all the way to about right where that truck's at. This is where it blew out. And I ended up right here in the center median. I decided to pick the center median instead of the shoulder. And the shoulder is not quite as wide, and it's been raining. So I thought the center median was going to be best. Now I didn't have a whole lot of control, and I didn't want to go into the ditch. Look at that. All right. That was fun. So now I'm sitting here waiting for a guy to come out here to put a tire and rim on. If they don't show up soon enough, then they're going to send a tow. The police is going to send a tow truck. TxDOT was already out here. They said the road is fine. But I still have to make a report with Swift Claims Department. Just protect myself. Just got off the phone with On-Road, and On-Road recommended me doing that. Called my dispatchers, which I have to call them back, let them know, give them an update. And take a chill pill for a little bit. Anyway. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe, and enjoy my terrible day. Although, I gotta say, losing a tire. Let's actually talk about that real quick. What it felt like. There was a little shake in the wheel, and a noise. I actually thought it was the motor, but it was actually the tire. And I didn't realize what was everything that was going on until I saw the tire actually came off the rim, went into oncoming traffic, somehow avoided a bunch of cars, went into the ditch, jumped into the ditch, went over, and landed in a business's parking lot next to a vehicle up by the door. Somehow avoiding every car in that parking lot. The parking lot would be that one right there. It jumped that ditch into that parking lot next to the door that's right there. So, that was pretty fun. And sorry for the shaky video. I'm still feeling a little shaky myself. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. Woo!